You lace them up every morning, your trusted canvas running shoes. They've seen every terrain, from dusty roads to rainy puddles. But today, you look down and realize they're no longer white. They're brownish, smudged, worn, and they smell a little funky. You wonder, should I just throw them out? Wait, don't. Because what if I told you there's a way to make those dirty canvas shoes look almost brand new again, with just a few simple steps? But before we jump into this cleaning journey, do take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. You'll be surprised how satisfying and emotional this cleaning transformation is going to be. Let's face it, canvas running shoes are more than footwear. They're part of our identity. Affordable, stylish, breathable, they're with us on early morning walks, street strolls, college campuses, and late-night chai breaks. But here's the painful part. As beautiful as they are, canvas shoes are dirt magnets. Dust sticks to them. Rain leaves marks. Sweat causes discoloration. And before you know it, your once crisp, bright shoes look 5 years old, even if you bought them last month. And most people? They give up, toss them in the corner, or worse, into the trash. But what if that's not the end of the story? Step 1. The emotional prep. Respect the shoe. Yes, we're starting with emotion. Why? Because before we clean, we need to understand that this is not just about dirt. It's about reviving something that's walked with you through life. So, take your shoes. Knock the soles together gently to remove loose dust. Remove the laces so they can be cleaned separately. And now, take a moment to look at them. Those stains? They have stories, but they don't have to be permanent. Let's begin the transformation. Step 2. The magic cleaning solution. You don't need fancy products or harsh bleach. In fact, bleach can damage canvas. Instead, mix the following in a bowl. 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon gentle liquid soap, and ½ cup warm water. This simple, natural solution works like a charm on stains, odor, and discoloration, without hurting the fabric. Dip a soft brush, or an old toothbrush, into this mix. Begin scrubbing your shoes gently but firmly. Use circular motions. Focus on stained areas, soles, and the space around the eyelets where laces go. You'll notice it, dirt lifting away, layer by layer. It's like peeling back time. Step 3. Let the foam soak in. Once you've scrubbed the entire surface, don't rinse immediately. Let the foam sit on the canvas for 10 to 15 minutes. Why? Because it gives the ingredients time to break down deep-set grime. This is where the baking soda works its magic on stains. Soak them in the same solution in a small bowl. Give them a few squeezes to agitate the dirt out. Here's a bonus step. The secret weapon, whitening the soles. Even after cleaning, the rubber soles might still look yellow or stained. Here's a trick most sneakerheads use. Make a paste using 1 tablespoon toothpaste, the white kind, not gel, and a few drops of water. Take a brush and scrub the soles with this paste. Wipe clean with a damp cloth. You'll see the white come back like magic. Suddenly, your shoes don't just look clean, they look factory fresh. When you finally slip your feet into those fresh, clean canvas shoes, you'll feel it, not just the comfort, but the pride. You brought them back to life. With your hands, your time, your effort, they look better, smell better, feel better, and every step you take from here will be just a little lighter because you chose restoration over replacement. If this video inspired you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. There are so many everyday things, just like your shoes, that deserve a second chance, and we'll explore them all, one video at a time. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Until next time, walk proud, walk clean, and walk with purpose.